Welcome to the Info Island channel. This video is about migrations from Zerodha platform to the Orbis platform. People have the doubts why should we move from Zerodha to the Orbis platform, and also people have doubts about if we move from Zerodha to the Orbis account, it will lose all the features of the Zerodha, like losing the long-term investment features, that is ticketing delivery. Yeah, I will clarify these doubts, and also how one can get towards the Orbis account, and also why we need this Orbis account. Yeah, in this video I will clarify why we need and how to get towards the Orbis. See, in option chain we cannot trade in all the option strike prices in the Zerodha platform, as every brokerage company have the limitations of open interest towards the option strike prices in various options, and Zerodha is having more number of traders, so that once the market open, all the strike prices has been occupied by this open interest. So normal people cannot trade in this open interest at high four-way option strike prices. Like now the current option strike price is 17,850. For example, if you want to trade at 15,600 for a price of rupees 2.15, you cannot place the order at a strike price of 15,600, because the open interest for the strike prices will be crossed even in a single opening time, as there is more number of people are buying this far away strike prices, which is the platform Zerodha has only limited number of open interest is allowed by the NSE. So those normal people cannot trade. So how can I trade all Nifty and Bank Nifty options strike prices on Zerodha? So once I check this in Google, I will get to this here. Although you will be able to use Kite, once you move to the Orbis, there are some restrictions. You will have some restrictions. So what are the restrictions? You will only be able to trade in future and options. So the people who migrate to the Orbis only able to trade in futures and options and commodity. Okay, the equity and the currency, segment will be blocked for you. So people who want to move to the Orbis, you should be known that equity and currency will be blocked for you. You will not able to pledge holdings as a collateral. You cannot use collateral for money for trade, and IMBS NEFT RTGS will not be available for adding funds. IMBS you cannot have, NEFT you cannot have, RTGS you cannot have. You can continue to add funds using UPI or net banking only. So you have this type of restrictions. You can request the ledger report by raising the ticket here. So you have to bookmark this website for raising the ticket, or you can once you click this, you can, where I can place support request for my Orbis account. You have to create the ticket, and then only you can able to get the lecture values. Okay, as Orbis funds and traders, none of the obligation be shown in the contract note with Zerodha. You have to refer to the margin statement sent by Orbis. So the margin statement will be sent to you by the email. So these are the restrictions from the Orbis, that you cannot trade mainly in equity and currency segment. You can trade all other segments like commodity and future and options. And what is the main benefit of this? You can trade all the strike prices in the options chain listed in NSE website. You can trade all. For example, you can purchase this 19,050 rupees strike price of LTP, lost at a price 1 rupee. You can purchase this also. Previously, if you are not in Orbis, you cannot trade or you cannot buy this strike price, as it has a limitations in Zerodha. Okay, so now you got knowledge what is the restrictions in using this Orbis, and also the benefit of using the Orbis. Now we move towards how we can get this Orbis platform, or how we can migrate from Zerodha to the Orbis. So once how I done, let us check. So at first step, what I did was, in Google I just typed Orbis Zerodha. Okay, so I click the first one, and here I got how can I trade Nifty and Bank Nifty options in Zerodha. So blah blah blah, and here the last option is create a ticket, and I have Zerodha account, login with Kite. Ticket or what you want from this Zerodha support portal. You can write anything you need, like I want to move, or I want to migrate from Zerodha to Orbis to trade all strike prices, as I'm unable to buy or sell other strike prices in option chain restricted by the Zerodha. So I want to write these words, and you have to click the submit. If you want, you can choose the files telling that I'm unable to purchase or buy or sell any other option strike prices restricted by the Zerodha. So once you click this create ticket, you will have the mail will be sent to you, that the ticket number. So I'll show you that. So how can I trade all Nifty and Bank Nifty options on Zerodha? So this is the ticket I have created. So once this ticket is created, Zerodha support portal will send you the mail, and in that the same thing what we have learned in Orbis migrations will be told once again, that what are the benefits you'll get, like 1500 reward points, 1 month free brokerage. And one of the great benefit of opening this Orbis is you'll get the free brokerage for 1 month, and also the dedicated support line, and free Zerodha account opening for family members in your case. Okay, no paying charges, no strike price restrictions. The main thing is no strike price restriction. So this mail will be sent to you, and here to get started you'll just need to fill this form. So once you create the ticket, it will send you the mail telling you that what are the benefit and what are the cons and pros of this Orbis account, and at last it will also give you the form for filling up towards migrations toward the Orbis. So once I click this form, I will be moved to the other tab telling you Zerodha Orbis clearing onboarding. Okay, so here the register mail ID you have to click, and your Zerodha client ID, and do you trade only in future option segment? I clicked yes. And do you have your phone number linked to the other? Yes, you click the yes number. Any phone, your phone number can have any in any other mobiles or anything else. You don't need to worry, just click yes. And you can only use the custodian service if your net worth is above 1 crore. Do you confirm that your net worth is 1 crore? See, you can click I confirm, as it will not check you anything. I have already moved towards the Orbis. I don't have 1 crore in my net worth is not 1 crore, but I just clicked this I confirm radio button, and it simply moved the peoples in Orbis supported me to move towards the Zerodha, from Zerodha to the Orbis platform without any confirmations like you have 1 crore or not. They will not ask you about the money, or they will not check your net worth in any behind of you. It is simply it will ask, it is something like mandatory questions for them, but they will not consider, or they will not check in your background that you have 1 crore or not. So you don't want to hesitate whether you have to click the I confirm button, or we are not able to move towards the Orbis as we don't have 1 crore in your account. You don't need to think about it. Even you don't have any money in your account, or you don't have anything else, you just click the I confirm button for having 1 crore. People will simply move from Zerodha to the Orbis account. There is no other restrictions, or there is no other any doubts you required for clicking this I confirm button, radio buttons, right? So do you confirm that your account information Zerodha can be shared to the Orbis process? Yeah, simply click I confirm. Okay, if you have your PAN card, just add the file of your image for your PAN card, and also your Aadhaar copy. Okay, so these are the questions will be asked in this Google form. Once you click those things and you click the submit button, it will be go towards the Orbis. Orbis people will check about it, and also this process will take more than 4 weeks to migrate. So it has taken for me 4 weeks. they are telling exactly, because the people need to move your Zerodha to Orbis by passing through the NSE only. So they simply cannot move from Zerodha to Orbis just like that. There is some restrictions, and there is some mandatory rules to be followed from Orbis to migrate Zerodha to the Orbis account through NSE. So it will take 4 weeks, and it also be told in your mail when you raise the ticket. So there is no need to worry that it is passed always. There is more days gone. Why I didn't migrate? You don't need to worry or panic. You just can wait for 4 weeks, and it will be moved to the Orbis account. So my account, I'll show you. Yeah, this is my Zerodha platform, and here if you check, my account is migrated to the Orbis, and it will be simply the same. There is no changes. The platform, you can use the Zerodha itself. There is no other changes. The only thing is you can trade here. You cannot buy the stocks. You can just buy the future and options and commodities. No other stocks you can buy or currency you can buy. I will show you. See, if I click this ITC buy button, simply I click buy button. Trading in equity and currency is restricted as your account is cleared through Orbis. So this message will be popping up. So yeah, my account is migrated to the Orbis. That's the message is shown in the screen. So this is how I cannot trade in the or I cannot buy the stocks for long term or short term. Also I cannot trade in stocks. So once again click buy button, the message will popping up that your account is cleared through Orbis. So this message, what it shows is my account is moved towards the Orbis, so I cannot trade in the long term buying or selling of the stocks. But what can I do? I can buy the chain for Nifty, or I simply 30th September, strike price is 17,850 is at the money, and people who are using Zerodha cannot buy the 19,000 strike prices because it is far out of the money in call option. So but I can trade as my account is moved towards the Orbis. So simply if I click 19,000 in September series call option, so if I click this, it will be added to me, and normal people cannot, or people who are in Zerodha cannot buy this call options in far out of the strike price. But as I am in the Orbis, I can buy the call options of 19,000. Simply I click, and if I click this buy button, is placed, check the order book for status. Okay, this message will pop up. Simply speaking, the people cannot trade this 19,000 strike price in Zerodha platform, but people in the Orbis can buy this, or I can also sell. Okay, what are the benefits or what are the pros and cons of using the Orbis and also the Zerodha? In Zerodha you can trade all the things, but you cannot trade all the strike prices. But in the Orbis you cannot trade in all things like buying of stocks, but you can trade in all the strike prices in options. So what I suggest is, people who want to trade in all the strike prices in options, you can simply move towards the Orbis, no other second thought. And also this 1 crore requirement is not concern at all, because you can simply raise a ticket and you will get the mail, and also in the mail there is some form. You fill the form, and once you fill the form, like 1 crore requirement, you just click the yes, I have 1 crore, and there is no problem in it, and the people will migrate to your Orbis account. You can use the same Zerodha platform. There is no any other changes in the platform. There is same platform. You can add the money by using UPI or net banking in Zerodha itself. You can trade with that money itself. There is no other changes. It is simply the same, using the same like Zerodha, but the only difference is you cannot trade in the buying of stocks or selling of the stocks, but you can trade in the options of all the strike prices. So I have done it, and I have shown what will happen when I click for buying of stocks. It will show you that your account is clear to the Orbis, and when I can buy the strike prices, your order will be placed at any strike prices you do. So thanks for watching, and also please click the like button and subscribe for our channel for other videos, and what the videos you required, or what are the different topics you require, please tell me in the comment, and I definitely will upload you the videos. Thank you.